guys, I'm Yein from Craftiviti, and we received a lot of same kind of questions, and a lot of people are still a bit confused between the difference of an essential oil and a fragrance oil. So okay, here's a close-up shot of eucalyptus fragrance oil, and here is a yin and yang eucalyptus essential oil. Now, the easiest way to understand the difference between these oils is the price. If it's cheap and it's really cheap, chances are that these oils are fragrance oils. Fragrance oils are always synthetic. There is nothing natural in fragrance oils. They use chemicals and scent and perfumes to create the fragrance oils. So when it comes to fragrance oils, you don't have any therapeutic benefits. There are no plant materials in the fragrance oils. But essential oils in this little precious bottle contains really good plant oils. So in this case, this eucalyptus oil is made out of pure eucalyptus leaves from Australia, steam distilled to bring up the great oils, and then they take the oil layer and they bottle it into a bottle like this. Eucalyptus oil has many benefits because it comes from nature and it is from plant-based. Price-wise, it is also more expensive than fragrance oils. So when you talk about the strength of fragrance oils versus eucalyptus essential oil, fragrance oils are always stronger. So if you're a person that enjoys lovely scents and you're not worried or you don't want to bother about the therapeutic benefits of eucalyptus, then go with fragrance oils. These are perfumes anyway. It scents up your whole house. You can put it into your bath products. You can use it for soap making. You can use it for candle making. The scent is stronger. It lasts longer. But over here, when it comes to essential oils, because they are natural, they have no binders, no chemicals to hold it down, they are quite fleeting. So when you add a little bit, the scent isn't as strong as it normally is in a fragrance oil. But you get the therapeutic benefits of this oil when you use it on your skin, when you breathe it in, all kinds of benefits. So I hope this really helps you understand the difference between fragrance oil and essential oils. If anything you need to know, please hashtag me, askyein, and I will try and get back to you about more information. Thank you so much, guys. Happy crafting!